Hi everyone, I'm Alicia, and today I'm here with John from MorelandConnect. John, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Good, thank you. So in this video, you're gonna be telling me what problem you solve for your clients. So let's just jump right in. What can you tell me about that?
Yeah, we work in almost every industry.
Okay.
Each industry has its own unique set of problems that need solved. They all really boil down to the same core set of issues.
Okay.
If you think about companies across all industries, they all have what we call core computing systems.
Okay.
So things like accounting packages, sales packages, operations, manufacturing, planning, logistics. Those core systems, in order to run a business, have to transact things for customers, they have to build orders for manufacturing, and they have to communicate between each other. So at MorelandConnect, what we do is we help companies connect their core computing systems to allow the people in those companies to have an easier time doing their job, be more effective at what they do, and serve their customer base better.
Okay. So when you have clients that come to you and they're looking for some sort of software like this, do you have an initial consultation that you sit down and figure everything out with them?
Sure. Yeah, we do an initial workshop, a kickoff meeting with every one of our clients. And we have a few people from MorelandConnect that come to the meeting, and then the key stakeholders from the client. And what we do is we work hard to identify a problem statement. Oftentimes the customer will have that already ready to go. They know exactly what the problem is. Sometimes it'll be more vague and we'll have to use our industry knowledge from years of experience to drill down and help them determine what the problem statement is. But once we determine what that problem statement is, we then move on to creating strategic initiatives. And then those strategic initiatives to solve the problem will drive some technology pieces and parts that will need to be built. So what our team does is we write a lot of code, we do a lot of data work, a lot of integration work that support technology initiatives, which supports a strategic mission.
Okay. And then I'm sure that with that workshop, your clients are able to build a lot of trust with you guys. And I'm sure that that's a huge step in the process when you are building something for them. So tell me a little bit about trust.
Yeah, we have to have trust. If our customers don't trust us, then we didn't do our job. It's the most important thing. And it helps support the project from start to finish because every project follows the same progression. When it starts, everyone's happy. There's a kickoff meeting, maybe a dinner, maybe some drinks. Everybody's ready to go.
It's a new project. We're all excited.
We're all excited. You get 2, 3, 4 months into it. The client has invested money in the project. They've invested energy, lots of hours. Our teams work lots of hours. And until you get to almost the very end, there's not a tangible technology asset delivered yet. So they get frustrated. They've spent money. Are these the right guys and girls? Are they actually going to build this thing? Is it really going to bring us value? So they all go through that, and we call it the valley of despair. So everybody gets down into the valley. And when you're in the valley with your customer, it's important to fall back on the trust that you established early on. Remind them how much you care. Come alongside them and then help them dig out slowly and ultimately finishing the project and providing that value that they all dreamed about in the beginning. It's what makes us come to work every day at Moreland.
Like you said, trust is incredibly important. And if you're ready to place your trust in MorelandConnect, you can do so. You can call them at the number on the screen, or you can visit them online at morelandconnect.com.